today's gonna be fun because we're buying either 2 or 3 cars right now. Oh shit. The XC40, the new Volvo. I'm gonna go and I get to drive that. So it's a good day overall, I'd say. It's a good day overall. And I have a surprise for you still. Well, hopefully it's a surprise for me, but
weird, the carpet on the side and stuff, but I absolutely love it. It's like one of those, it's like a 70s kind of, I don't know, like a 70s style home that you're in.
You got like a full-blown HD camera.
Yeah, and look at the dash, look at that digital dash.
Like they didn't go like, oh, let's go too futuristic and go way over the top fancy. It didn't make sense.
Crazy.
Like, it blends in well. And it brings some modernness to it.
I love it.
No, that's what I was saying, Ivan. Everyone should be really worried about these cars being so cheap because when else are you gonna fucking buy another car for 37 grand that looks like this, inside and out? Like now everything is getting so competitive. Why are you gonna go and spend $200,000 unless you really have to, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy shit. There we go, Veronica, my little China doll. See guys, these are the seats that I like. That's fucking dope.
Salomondrin and Salomundo channel. Welcome to your new GTI.
We appreciate this at Salomundo.
Yeah.
We totally do. In Mexico, we love VWs and the Golf. And I want to sell also in Europe, by the way. It's a very European car. God, look at the screens that they're giving us these days on these cars, guys.
Oh man!
By the way,
look at my screen.
Oh, and you have a start-stop button too. That the key's not detected.
For potential renters, what is the fart policy in the car?
Now, why are you bringing that up?
I don't know, I was curious who was going to fart first in the car. Is it going to be us or a renter?
Hey, dude.
Oh, by the way, just so you guys know,
It's gotta be me.
No, we put a special dye chemical in the seats. When you fart, it turns blue, so we'll know, and you'll have to pay.
Well, the Kia doesn't have this
actually,
one, but the sides were wrapped.
Actually, Alejandro, in this day and age, you should wrap everything up.
Oh my God. Ivan, do you have the keys to this beautiful thing? Let me see them.
Is that a Bugatti key?
Ooh, no. Now these are better.
Oh,
look at that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nostalgia.
Well, and also for defending yourself. If anything happens. What do you want, bro?
It's Nostabia.
Nostabia. Hey, come on, Ivan, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Come on, my friend, let's go, let's go, let's go. This brings me back. My friend Idol, you guys saw him on the private plane episode, Needy. That motherfucker used to have one of these and he taught me how to drive a manual in one of these. That's why I love these
Air conditioning.
so much.
He taught you how to drive manual?
The leather seats, I'm set on, I don't want the leather seats because of the wrap too. But dude, look at the size of that screen and it's a touch screen. It's legit. And the other thing you brought up, Farghini, the steering wheel is so nice.
That's the best it's ever been.
And the cheapest one of all the cars. This is 35, so this is way cheaper than the Kia. And look at the steering wheel. That's why these Germans, dude, they always get it like, you heard the car, right?
Having a little fun.
Having a little too much fun.
Looking for a little traction.
And I want to apologize to everyone because I've always wanted to do this. There's a football field right here. You ready?
I don't know if we could do this.
Yeah.
No, we can't do it. I promise you. It's nothing. Come on, guys. I would never fuck anything up. Just my life. But other than my life, never yours. Okay, here we go. And he's going on the 30. He's going on the 25, the 20, the 15, the 10. He's gone all the way and touchdown to the wall. I'm sorry. That is all I wanted to do. Ah!
Where's the cheerleaders?
How was that?
It was all right.
I scored a touchdown.
Yeah, I mean, you're a little slow, but
I can't wait to give it to Tommy and make it into a harlequin. Oh! And now, Ivan, the last request. Do you have a navigator for your boy today?
I have a select navigator.
What does that mean?
Trim level wise, it goes Premier, Select, Reserve, Black Label.
Oof,
I guess let's go see this select.
You're down. You're
Let's go
down
see
a
it.
couple
All
points.
right, let's go see it. Let's go see it.
Farsha just parked without sticking his head outside the
Because that
window.
was so easy, dude. The steering in this was so easy.
Oh, you know, I turned the camera on because I was like, you guys don't even know, but Farsha's gonna buy this for his baby mama.
Hey, the steering feel, everything about the steering, my favorite part of the car.
Really? Yeah.
Like, is this
It feels
design R has
expensive.
nothing to do with the steering, right?
Nope.
I love this.
He was looking at the other one and he was like, so this is the $700 one a month, and how much is the other one, the $600 one? And he goes, oh, the shitty one, I don't want it. And now he's looking at it, he's like, oh, that's so. So listen to it.
Ah, dude, this is more than enough for me.
Cheap ass motherfucker. What do you think?
Oh, dude, she would love this.
Yeah?
Take a picture, send it to her. If she goes, oh, I love it, then that means you get the lower end one.
It is cool though.
So I was coming in for the shot, man.
A B-roll, man.
Yeah, I didn't see.
It's dangerous. Shelby, baby. Ivan, you open my eyes into a new Shelby that's coming out. How does that work?
So right now, the way it works is we don't know how many are going to be allocated per dealership. All we know is that we're going to get some. So anyone that's interested in getting one, if they call us and let us know they want one, we can put your name on the list. As the list starts to get filled, we'll fulfill any orders that we have of GTs coming in. So we get 3. The first 3 people that request it, get it.
And I know someone who just requested one. Farghini wants one. But are you?
Wait, hold on.
Hang on, I actually just requested one and Ivan said yes.
Okay.
But also the request, my name is on the list.
Yes.
Correct.
I have to be lucky enough, as we know with my Ford experiences, there's a high chance that I will not be selected to be one of these guys.
GT500?
Yeah.
No, you'll get the GT500 because I'm going to get the GT500. Also, just one thing. I don't have to pay for it when it comes. I can decide not to get it.
Correct.
Yeah, I'm getting a fucking GT500, bitch! I'm on the list.
Okay.
So impressive.
Hey, Jesus.
I'm gonna get GT500.
I honestly fucking I don't think you are.
It's been there the whole time.
If I'm not getting one, you ain't getting one, homie.
If I get one, you can use it.
Thank you. Navigator time. Oh, there it is.
So we let Tommy grab it before we could, and he put some rims on it.
I'm gonna tell Tommy I'm not gonna buy it unless he changes the wheels.
Hey,
He always gets so mad.
already done it. I've
already
already done it. I've already done it. Which, by the way, we haven't even said. I got the Expedition.
Oh yeah, we
Yeah.
gotta show it. Oh,
will.
we gotta show it. We gotta show it.
We'll do it in a fancier way.
Ooh.
Shit, at this price, it's not even the highest.
Nope.
Wow.
It starts at $73,000.
Ooh.
So this is again not as high as it can go. This is only 78 plus whatever we can get the wheels.
Ooh. Guys, look at this. I said that.
And they announced the Aviator yesterday.
We saw that they're making the Aviator. It's a smaller version of this, right? The
Yes.
Aviator.
Yes.
Is that going to be built on the Explorer platform?
I don't see why it wouldn't. It's gonna be. Ford's really picking it up.
Sorry, everyone. Question: what am I missing here from what I would get if I was getting a black label?
The wheels are different up just to begin with.
Okay.
You get the larger wheels. You get different wooden inlays.
Yes.
In the black label, all this is wrapped in leather. So there's no.
All of this is
Yeah.
wrapped in leather.
All this is wrapped in leather. All
Okay.
this is wrapped in leather. All this is wrapped in leather.
Back seat navigation, center console.
That's yeah. You
Right.
can get that, or you can get a walkthrough or a full bench, which is totally up to you.
Gotcha. So this one doesn't have anything in the middle there?
No.
Oh, so yeah, normally these have something in the middle here.
Well, just the big expensive black labels that we've seen so far.
I like this. I'm not in love with the brown wood, which is only why I would get a fucking black label. How much is a black label?
113, 115,000.
$40,000 more for that.
Yeah.
Looks like I'm gonna be getting this one, guys.
Looks like you'll be keeping your size.
Looks like
rich mahogany.
Looks like this one is pretty cool. So this is a car that I'm buying because my wife and I don't have anything to take to the airport, or like anytime we go somewhere where you have to leave the car outside without people knowing what car is ours.
Got it. That makes sense.
Which, you know, some people, like, it's awesome when people know it's our car and whatever, and they're good people, but there's also the bad people. So it's mostly for that I think I need this. You don't have this one spoken for or anything?
No.
Let's do it. All right. 3 cars one day, not bad. But I will tell Tommy, hang on, that is gonna happen, and I would love to see Tommy's face when we do that. Tommy, we're not getting your wheels. I'm sorry, Tommy. Stock wheels are the way to go, especially in trucks, dude. Who needs big ass wheels?
Also, the Navigator's wheels kind of look like that already.
I actually thought they were the Navigator wheels.
Oh, I shouldn't have said anything. Those are the actual wheels that come with the Navigator.
All right, that's that. There you go. I'm sure Belen will be happy about this. Not really, but I don't care. I want it. Oh, and it has a digital plate. Woo!
Talking about the actual disc.
Oh, whoa. What about that one right there?
Oh, whoa.
Yeah. Ivan, don't play your boy.
First, let's see if there's any dents in it.
Oh, I like those wheels. Oh my God, look at this. That is a black label.
Yeah.
Okay. What is that paperwork?
I'll have
Oh my God.
Should be open. We just put it up here so that other people don't drive it.
Oh my fucking God. No, I want one of these. No. No.
Wow.
98 grand.
Ah, you gotta hold out, man.
Yep.
You gotta.
Ivan, I want one of these.
We can't take this one? We can't take this?
Ooh. Are you sure we can't take this one?
Ivan, if the guy gets that one, it's a $20,000 savings.
Yeah, tell him that.
Guy wants this one.
Nah, he doesn't.
No, we should just call him and
He
tell him
doesn't
like,
know what he wants. You gotta tell him what he wants.
let's go. We can all convince him.
Let's go. Oh my God, look at these seats.
Look at this.
Hey,
No.
hey,
Okay, I want.
Seriously though, you have to wait.
Yeah. I'll wait. Look at the wood.
And this, look at this back here. Like this is Rolls Royce.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
This is Rolls Royce.
This is what I wanted it to be originally. So yeah. Okay, I'm sorry, Ivan. I'm gonna have to take this one.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's just put it in our pocket.
Just shut this on my leg.
I didn't even see you. I'm sorry.
Gosh, almighty.
You okay? So right now, last thing, Farghini, buddy, Ivan, before we go, Ivan's building a brand new Navigator for me that's gonna be identical to Mr. Ravioli's, which is what we call the one that's upstairs, the gray one. Beautiful interior, beautiful exterior. And also, Ivan, can I ask you for a huge favor? Can I get it with just stock rims and don't let Tommy anywhere near my boats?
We won't. We'll keep him away from all of Alejandro's cars.
It's not because I don't like it. I just know how much it affects Tommy's heart. Whenever someone returns a car with his wheels, he goes, "Why?" So I just want to be a dick, I guess, and do that to Tommy. So Ivan's putting an order in because there are no black label Navigators coming in, right, anytime soon?
That's correct. Not that are available for sale.
Yeah. So like the gray one we saw upstairs, that's the one that I'm taking. The other 2 cars, done deal. Where they're just gonna put them in gas, and gas is gonna put the exhaust in the car, the Harlequin wrap on the other one, the wheels, all that stuff. For this one, we're gonna have to wait longer, but I think what we can do is mix and match with a Continental. So let me see if I can pull off a Continental. It's not gonna be today, but so far so good. We got 2 cars in, done deal. I'm gonna try to get the Continental to get this started, and I'll let you guys know whenever you can pre-order these cars. And another note, Ivan, I brought my 4x4 so that you can sell it.
Dope.
Yeah, hang on.
Oh.
Hang on, yeah.
Who wants a 4x4?
There you go. Ivan, make the call then. Who wants a 4x4?
Who wants a 4x4?
Boom.
Did you bring the step ladder?
There is no... There is no step ladder. There is no step ladder. We're gonna have a lot of problems getting in and out. I left the car the way it looks right now with the yellow and all the Brabus equipment and all that stuff because Jeff told me there might be someone who wants it like that. If no one bites, let's change it up. Car is perfect, has 5,000 miles.
Remind
it's
people
all
what's
for
underneath
you.
it. It's black.
It's black. So yeah, the car is black on black. Don't worry about it. So whenever they unwrap it, it's just beautiful black on black. It's not. It's glossy. It's not the matte one.
So if the color's not enough for you right now, you can take it off and go with the black.
You have options.
What a poorly executed joke.
Wow, Farsha.
That was a great joke.
Wow.
That was a great joke.
Wow.
That was a great joke. Go black.
What was it, Alex?
What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Okay, why don't you tell us in the comments down below? Do you think that Farghini's joke was epic or not?
Oh, that's bad news.
I'm
sorry, Farghini.
This is not going to be Farghini's good news. It's going to be Farghini's bad news.
Wait, it's Wednesday though. It's Wednesday. Give him a break.
He's not at his best.
He's at his best on Tuesdays.
Tomorrow I will not be. Oh, I'll be able. Oh, yeah, I'm at my best.
Yeah. Hey, and the reason why I'm selling my 4x4, it's a secret. It's a nice surprise, and it's a surprise from Mercedes that's coming later this year.
Whoop.
Yeah. So we're not gonna be too sad about that one because what's coming is gonna be it's gonna be more special. That's the way to say it. So
should we cut to a goodbye montage of the 4x4 square?
let's do this right now. My God. This is fucking humongous. You can't even get up there.
To buy the car as is, have Alejandro come down here and do some of the paperwork with whoever buys it the way that it is.
I'll gladly do the paperwork. Whoever's buying it, if you guys want the car, that's what Ivan just said. As is, with the wrap and everything, I'll come in and do the fucking paperwork with you. Fuck it. I don't know.
That's dope.
I don't know how that's gonna help anything, but hey.
Get ready for wrong paperwork.
I'm sorry, everyone. Yeah, and the interior, please. Show us that delicious interior. Yeah.
All right, Austin Powers.
Yeah.
Wait, how many seats did it have?
What do you mean, how many seats? 8 seats.
8 seats. 8 shot.
Yeah, well, it depends
7.
because you can do this center console
Can I-
as a delete, or you
Are
can
you getting
do
it
bench.
delete it.
No,
delete it.
I need the center console.
No, I need the extra seat. I need the
the
extra seat.
center console. We're not gonna Uber this, Farghini. Guess what we have right there?
That's a first gen, I believe, SLK.
First generation SLK. That's the one with the compressor, and it says right there. It had a V6 motor, supercharged, right?
Well, the SLK
It's a
32, the
supercharged.
30 day
Yeah.
had it. The regulars had a 4-cylinder.
Yeah. That's right. The really small compressor. That's right. So that's the compressor. Woo! Those cars were so hot back in the day, and they just became like super girly cars, right?
Yeah.
But they were hot. Do you agree? Like guys wanted them.
Oh, for sure.
Do you think they were always girly?
I kind of think so.
All right, tell me. Well, this segment is over.
Sorry.